Welcome back students to the second part of lesson number 2, the sentences. In this video, I am going to explain to you how to arrange a jumbled sentence into a sensible sentence. There is no basic rule or technique for rearranging a jumbled sentence, but we have to keep three things in mind, and that is subject, verb and object. You must remember that each sentence in English follows a pattern: subject plus verb plus object, and sentences should be rearranged based on this. So, while rearranging the sentence, we have to keep in mind subject plus helping verb plus action verb plus object plus other words. A subject can be a noun or a pronoun. Noun can be a name of a person, place, animal and thing, or a pronoun like I, he, she, we, they, you, etc. Helping verbs means is, are, am, was, were, has, have, had, will, shall, can, etc. Action verb means action done by the subject. It can be in present, past or future form. For example, play, sing, eat, drink, etc. Objects are those on whom the action is being done by the subject. It can be a noun or a pronoun. Other words means words that are left in the sentence. It can be an adverb or a phrase. Let's take the example. My teacher is a subject. Has is a helping verb. Trained is action verb. Me is object. And to solve such questions are other words. Let's take one more example. Child, tree, the, behind, hit, the. In the above sentence, let us find out the subject. The subject is the child because we are talking about the child. Now look out for the helping verb and the action verb. In this sentence, there is no helping verb, but the action verb is hid. So the verb is hid. As I said, an object can be a noun or a pronoun. So the tree is the object in this sentence. So we got the three things: subject, verb and object. Subject is the child, verb is hid and object is the tree. Behind the are the remaining parts of the sentence. After arranging the words in the proper order, you have to see whether it is making a sense or not, and accordingly arrange the sentence. So the sentence is: the child hid behind the tree. Let's look out for some more examples. School, go, to, you, everybody. Here we don't have a noun, but we have a pronoun you. Action is go and school is the object. So you go to school every day. I guitar the well very play. I play the guitar very well. Is funny very my brother. My brother is very funny. The I am afraid dark of. I am afraid of the dark. In the end, don't forget to put your punctuations like full stop, question mark, exclamatory. We have come to the end of this lesson. I hope you understood this video. Dear students, I want you to solve the grammar textual exercises D, E, I and J in your grammar notebook. Tomorrow I will send you the answer key. Thank you.